Hi Scorpio, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your mid-July reading. Okay, so we'll see what are your energies right now in the middle of the month and what are the guidance messages for you right now. So for those who are new to my channel, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. Alright, so let's start with your reading now for my Scorpios, please. Mid-July 2020 for my Scorpios. So what I can see from here is you are in a position where you are not able to do anything. There is something, you are hanging about some kind of, might be a decision, might be a situation in your life, might be a love life, might be a new life or a new job where you want to start, but it's like it's still hanging. Might be because of the lockdown and all, you might not be able to move and you might not be able to think what to do in your life. So I can see that you are not able to move, but there are some things which you are clear about. Okay, but we'll see what is this. Yeah, for some people it's like you are not able to move regarding your pentacles. So it's like you have a very good opportunity in your hand, might be a very good job in your hand, but the joining date is not coming, so you are just hanging around that. You are waiting for that offer to come really fast towards you, and you are waiting and you are waiting because this is a very beautiful new beginning actually, and you are waiting. So that is why I see for some people, and you are not able to, you are not able to even go towards something else. You are feeling like you are caged. You are feeling like it's a kind of a fear as well, that what will happen if this job opportunity goes to some other person, and what will happen. It is also one thing that you might not be able to travel as well. I can see over here because of, you might be your family issues are coming and your family is not allowing you to travel to this place, and that is why there is a lot of fear in your head that you might be, they might give this opportunity to someone else, because this is a very beautiful opportunity as you see this. Okay, so but yes, this is a new opportunity and there are many competitors. I can see that there are many competitors for this, so that is why I think the fear is because of this, because you feel that this is that kind of a beginning which can make you, a millionaire, a billionaire. So that kind of a thing is there in front of you. Okay, yes, so you are just hoping and you are just wishing, you are dreaming, then when shall I start this new thing? I really need to start it, but it's like, there is some kind of a energy which I see that you are waiting for that offer letter, you are waiting, but with the Wheel of Fortune, it's like if you are waiting for that thing, so it will come at the time when it will actually need to come to you. Okay, so if you are waiting for that thing and if it's not coming, so it might be not a very bad news for you, because there are some things which you cannot avoid right now. Might be traveling, might be very bad for your health, which I see over here. So if you are in that position where you are not able to move, you are not able to leave your home, so it's not for bad, it's for good, because it's like traveling with the Devil card is like, entering in that zone where you are yourself inviting the bad news basically. Okay, so it's all because of the God. If God is telling you that wait for some time, then you should wait, I guess. Okay. Yes. So I can see that with the Emperor, with the eight of coins and 9 of coins, it is about the coins. Yes, it is about your job, it is about your business. Yes. So you have just left that kind of energy. Actually, you have worked really hard for this thing. For some people, it's like a government job might be in your hand, so you have worked really hard. I can see over here like studying for that days and nights. Might be a business as well, because I can see over here the Emperor, who is a businessman, who is a self-made businessman. So I can see that you were in that zone. You had everything. You gave your 100% towards the situation, but you are entering into that zone where an offer letter is coming towards you. I can see that. And with the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, it's like you are going to get what you were waiting for. For those who were waiting for a proposal from a person, I can see with the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, a very beautiful couple this is. These two are like, made in heaven kind of a couple. So you are waiting for that proposal, and it is coming towards you, because I can see that in your past you were single, and now it's you are ready to get mingled. So I can see that you are waiting for someone to come towards you or accept your proposal or to propose to you. So whatever that proposal is, your job proposal, it is coming towards you, and you are waiting. So it is coming towards you. It might be traveling for some people. Traveling is there. You might be going to some place for that person or for that job, which I just told you, we just talked about, because 3 of Wands have come twice. So yeah, so 7 of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles and the Hierophant, this is your energy. So you are being a very lazy kind of a person right now, not because you want to be, it's like there's no choice, you have to wait. The patience is the key right now. So that is why you are just believing on the God. See how you are like, see this person is pointing towards, just above, and I'm just waiting. Whenever the God will call me, I will go to that place wherever He wants me to go. So you are in that mode. You are waiting. Might be waiting for this marriage to happen. If you are waiting for this person, there is someone you are waiting for, because you actually want to connect to this person, like marriage wise. I can see that. Yeah, but this person with whom you are dealing is very dicey, because there might be more than 2 options, but not options. I see over here that there is a fear of like, how to say this, like I will give you, that person knows that he or she will give you, but how much would you give to them? That is a major concern for them. Okay, so that is why they are a little dicey. They are not able to decide between the marriage and between the partnership. They are into that zone where they are just thinking that let's be just in live-in relationship, let's not get married, because after marriage many things change. So they are really thinking about that if it's just a partnership where all the balance is required, like you doing your work, me doing my work, like being the girlfriend and boyfriend zone. So this person wants that as well. But after marriage many things change, so this person is feeling very confused and feeling like what to do in that zone, I can see. But I can see the messages as guidance messages. Queen of Cups. Okay, Queen of Cups with 3 of Swords and Justice. Okay, so there is a twist over here. Yeah, okay, so the reading was going really fine, but all of a sudden a thing has changed, because there I can feel that there is some kind of injustice involved. Was there anyone else, Scorpios, whom you were connected towards, and that person might have felt that you did injustice to them? There is a third person over here, I can see. I don't know why, but there was a lot of love. There was something with this person, and the other person other than you two, there is a third person who actually is thinking, because that person really had emotions for you, and there is like, yeah, like you did some kind of injustice to them by doing this. Might be, you know, just leaving a date like that. You just had a lunch or had a dinner with this person, and you just left them, telling them I'll call you back, and you never called them back. So that kind of a situation I can see. There is something. Okay, there is some kind of hidden messages over here, which I don't know. You know, you must be knowing about that. Okay, the outcome is the World, Temperance, and Knight of Rods. Okay, so I can see over here there is a cycle which is ending over here. I don't know whether this person will accept your offer or will say yes or say no. I don't know, because they are still thinking about that. But there is some kind of completion over here. You know, might be, it's like with the Temperance and the World, it's like the ending, whatever the ending is, it will actually, you will meet balance, you will meet patience over here. It will be like, you know, it will be equal in both the situations. There, no one will be not justified over here. But with the Knight of Rods, I think it's more of that energy where you just, you know, you just date and you just leave. You just come and you go. Whatever you find good in a person, you like that with that person, and then you leave. That kind of energy I can see over here. I don't know who this is, but there is an energy where one person is leaving for another one, then again coming back to that person. So I don't think that there are only two people involved, but there is definitely a very beautiful couple over here. But other than these two, there is one more person who is involved, that who actually felt that it was very unfair of you to just let them go. So that, okay, so I don't know what to do, what you have to do for that thing. Okay, so that's all from my side, my Scorpios. I hope you like the reading, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.